This video explains how to use the washing machine at Primrose House. So you need to first of all look at which setting you wish to use. There will be an instruction manual at the end of this video. So for example, if we want to go for Eco, just turn it to Eco. You'll see the display will illuminate. You can then change the temperature on here by pushing this button. You can change the spin speed, pushing this button. And then basically to start the wash, you push start. But to open the door, you just pull on this, open up, put in your clothes. We do provide washing tablets, so you put one of these in, into the machine, then close it. It will click shut, and then you just push the start button, and that will start the wash off. It will then beep at the end, and then turn this off by putting it to 12 o'clock. And that's how to use the washing machine. Thank you.